rosemary.
Yeah.
Heaven restores you in life.
On this one game I played, if you walk over, or if you're close enough to something, and if you press the hotkey for loot, then it'll loot it. It's pretty cool.
What hotkey?
It was space for that game.
Oh, for another game.
That was a totally different game.
Wait, which game?
2 Moons.
Oh, I have an idea though. Leave my mouse button in like the center of the screen, and then like go into the you can change like a setting so that when you press like a key, it does like right mouse click. So I can just like, and then like walk up to something and press that key with my mouse in the center of the screen, you know.
Gratis. On your screen pushers, or whatever you said I was.
Oh no, I mean. Oh. Never mind. Am I at the right area over here?
I don't know. So you want to get there? I don't think so. Oh my gosh, this is the place. See all the dead people?
Yeah, I killed them. My weapon broke, so that's why I'm punching everything.
This is the place where you're supposed to jump. I think, but don't do it. Come on, let's go. Let's go. The other place is bigger. Bigger place.
I think it really matters. There's like 20 of these branches sticking out.
Okay, if you want to jump off of this one, let's do it. If you want to jump off... Okay, let's jump off of this one. This one's higher, actually.
Oh, I don't care.
Okay, then I guess we'll jump off of this one. What the heck? I'm hitting like 5s on these guys. Oh.
You have res sickness.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was about to say, like, how come he's like level 12 and you didn't one-shot?
No clue. Okay, I say we give a little cheer for the camera. Let me get this. Dude, you're freaking on. Oh my god! I'm gonna jump off. Oh my god.
Holy crap, you're floating in midair. The same thing happened to me in Warsaw Gulch the other day. I walked off the edge of the balcony at the top, like off the roof, and I was standing like 10 feet out from there, but I was floating in the air against the wall off the roof edge, and I was just floating there. And I turned into furball form and just sat down up there. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, okay, fog on your stone. Okay, bye. Woohoo! Blue. Oh, I got it again. See who can make it furthest to the left. I think you win.
No, I lost it. I fell down really. Yeah, I'm almost to the bottom now.
Oh, lag much? Dude, I'm like over land, I think. I don't know. Oh, crap.
Yeah, me too. It's like...
It says I'm like right on over land. I don't want to play though. Oh god.
Oh man, I'm about to hit land. You know,
I don't know if I'm gonna land in the water.
I just helmeted it.
I got Nagatoka right before I hit the water. That was so sweet. So I landed on land a little bit. Now I'm in the water. Oh, I'm in the water.
Alright.
Start one.
There's like a huge slope over where I'm at. Like in the land.